Alright guys, out of the box breaks here doing some Playbook box wars between ZERT81 and FREAKK. So we're going to roll a die. Going to roll a die here to see what box, and I believe the first one is going for ZERT. That was right, FREAKK? So first box, I'm going to roll the die here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And this is ZERT's box. Correct, FREAKK? Yeah. All right, here we go. All right, so 5. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So middle box. And I'll roll again now. We'll just do the same numberings. Hopefully I don't hit a 2 or a 5 for the last two. 6. So that's this one here. So this is going to be the winner's box. I'll leave it right up there. And this box is ZERT's. So let's get started. So whoever gets the biggest hit, and we'll determine that between chat and all of us. We'll figure out what the biggest hit is. We'll be getting the bonus box of Playbook. All right, good luck. So ZERT, here you go. Really small hands. I'm miniature. All right, so out of 249, base of Claude Giroux. So far, that's the winner. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's not a bad start. Social signatures of Brett Hull. That is nice. All right. And we have a dual rookie class booklet of Tyler Toffoli and Connor Murphy. Yeah, that social signatures is very nice. So not a bad start. So ZERT81 got that. So let me just do this so I know whose is whose. Okay. Now FREAKK. This is your box as per the dice roll. Good luck. I know that Hull's going to be very tough to beat. What are the odds on that? You want to look that up? And it probably doesn't book or anything. All right, had a 249 base. Tuukka Rask. You got a private signings at a 199 of Justin Schultz. You got a social signatures as well. Derek Roy, social signatures. Oh, this is crazy. What are the chances of this? Check out. You got a nicknames of Brett Hull. What are the chances? That is wicked too, man. This is tough. That is an awesome booklet. The Golden Brett. Booklets out of 25. 13 out of 25. Do have a little ding right there on the booklet. But as for So it's between that. Give me 1 second. I just want to. Just because we're going to be handling it a bit. It's a thick one too. Come on. Just gonna grab a sleeve for it here for the hole. I don't have a top loader beside me, but I'm gonna get it at least in a sleeve. So Freak and Freak, do you agree that it would be the auto? Yeah, you agree the auto? Yeah, that's a tough pull, that auto. So Rocket. Majority rules auto. I got to make sure the guys that paid agree as well, though. But that auto is very nice. Tough pull, but I still can't get over. I can't get over this. The fact that it happens to be a Brett Hull that is going up against. All right. Well, so that means that ZERT81. Congrats. You get a bonus. You get the extra box. Let me just mark that. These are both nice boxes, though. All right. So, Zert, good luck on the extra box. You get another double booklet by the looks of it. All right, you got a base out of 249, Claude Giroux, which I believe you got already. Yep. So you got number 69 the first time, and this time you got number 78. Social signatures of Michael Backlund. Oh, sorry, I almost... Out of 199, Anthony Peluso, rookie jersey auto booklet. It's out of 199. And dual rookie class booklet prime, 37 out of 50. Very nice. Tarasenko and Nichushkin. That is nice. Yeah, I'll see you proud. I said his name properly. Cut it in half. No, we don't, unfortunately, bud. I can check. I'll take a look to see if we have another case, but I don't see one anywhere, so don't think we do, bud. All right, guys. Well, that was fun. That ends the battle. Congrats, guys. Both Freak and ZERT81.